Hello, and thank you so much for servicing with us. If you've been sent this video, then that means your vehicle could greatly benefit from a spark plug replacement and tune-up. Maintaining your vehicle is crucial to ensure its longevity and optimal performance. Among the various aspects of vehicle maintenance, spark plug replacements and tune-ups are often highlighted as essential components. Here's why these elements are vital and how they contribute to your vehicle's overall health. First, let's take a moment and understand what spark plugs are. Spark plugs are small but crucial components of your vehicle's ignition system. They generate the spark that ignites the air-fuel mixture in the engine's combustion chambers. This process is fundamental for powering the vehicle. Over time, spark plugs can become worn or dirty, which can lead to various performance issues. Now then, what are the benefits of a tune-up? A tune-up is a comprehensive maintenance service that involves inspecting and replacing various components of your vehicle to ensure it runs smoothly. This typically improves checking and replacing spark plug, inspecting ignition component, and ensuring the fuel system is functioning correctly. The first reason for doing this is to ensure optimal engine performance. A tune-up helps in maintaining the engine's performance by ensuring that all components are in good working order. This can lead to improved acceleration, smoother operation, and a better overall driving experience. Enhanced fuel efficiency. Regular tune-ups help in optimizing the fuel system and ignition component, which can lead to improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Early problem detection. During a tune-up, a technician will inspect various parts of the vehicle for signs of wear and tear. Early detection can prevent a minor issue from turning into major problems. And cost savings. Regular maintenance through tune-ups can help you avoid costly repairs by addressing potential issues before they escalate. This proactive approach can save you money in the long run. Now then, how often should most people get a tune-up done? It does range from manufacturer to manufacturer, as well as individual driving habits and elements such as what kind of fuel is put into the vehicle can play a role. In general, every 5 years or every 100,000 kilometers is the make that most manufacturers will use. There are exceptions to this rule. For example, if a person is experiencing a misfire in their engine or anything along those lines, I may recommend doing it sooner to alleviate the problem, but for preventative maintenance, 5 years is pretty typical. Spark plug replacements and tune-ups are fundamental aspects of vehicular maintenance that contribute significantly to your vehicle's performance, efficiency, and longevity. Regular attention to these components ensures a smoother driving experience, better fuel economy, and the reduced risk of costly repairs. By staying on top of spark plug replacements and scheduling timely tune-ups, you can keep your vehicle running at its best for years to come. If you would like us to move ahead with this service, let us know straight away. And if you have any other questions, do give us a call. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.